Should we talk about this?
Yeah. What? Yeah. What is this?
Well, I would like you to guess.
I,
It would please me if you would guess
it's
what
not
it is.
very heavy. My first is it a phone?
No, it is not a phone.
It's not a phone. My first guess was that it was like some weird sandal thing or something.
No, it's not
But
a sandal
I think that's
thing.
incorrect. Can I cheat at all? Can I like read the back?
Sure.
What's this?
Go ahead.
That doesn't help, I think, almost at all. Earphones? Headphones? Or earbuds?
Like earbuds.
What? Made in 2019. Why do you have these?
So, I
Yeah.
only recently became aware of these. Louis Vuitton apparently has a true wireless earphone line that appears to be their own product as opposed to just
Really?
silk screening their
That's
logo
genuinely really surprising.
onto something else. Well, I mean, it could be very, very OEM'd and just
Yeah.
branded.
Because I thought it was going to be like, the like designed by McLaren phone.
No, this is actually their
Okay.
own
All
product, and I was naturally very curious to know what could possibly justify
Oh, no.
$1,500
Ooh.
for wireless earphones.
Wow.
What could possibly justify it?
They don't even look good.
Well, that's subjective.
That's fair.
I mean, they might look good to people who care more about the logo than the actual industrial design.
Yeah. Yep.
So, guys, I'm really looking forward to reviewing these. I'm actually planning to work on my review. I'm going to be stuck on a plane for 20 hours, so I'll have plenty of time to run through the battery and make sure that it's actually, as long as they say it is, and listen to them.
Is that unopened?
Yeah.
Dang.
Do you want me to open it?
Kind of. Are you going to do a short circuit?
Should we
on
open
opening?
it? No, I'm not going to do a short circuit. I'm planning a full LTT review.
Yeah,
so.
then let's do it.
Okay. All right. You guys want a live unboxing of the
I'm
Louis
sure they
Vuitton
do. Yeah.
earphone? Well, I mean, first we're gonna have to experience other aspects of the
Like
of
the
the
paper
unboxing.
falling out.
Yeah.
Of the
Hold on a
envelope.
second. There's a. I thought there was a little. I might have actually misplaced part of the experience.
Drama.
Oh,
Tension.
shoot. Yeah. There's a little envelope that it came with, and I honestly have no idea what was in it. No, it's not this.
No?
It's not this. It was a little sealed envelope. I'm going to have to run over to 105 and see if I can find that. So thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with
Wow.
exclusive materials,
Oh my.
then packed with the utmost care, following
Oh,
strict
gosh.
sanitary guidelines. Blah, 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 blah. Nous vous remercions d'avoir choisi Louis Vuitton. Okay, so there's that in French. Exchanges and
AJ's
returns.
judging you so hard right now.
Whatever, AJ.
Every word.
What is this? This is my packing slip. Oh, no, it's a gift receipt. Okay. All right. Live unboxing, Louis Vuitton earphones. I actually don't know if that's exactly the model that we got. They apparently have a bunch of them. What is this? There's a thing here. Oh, hold on. There's a thing in here, I think. Is this not... What is this? But there's nothing in here. It looked like there was something in there. Okay. Here we go. Actually, it's okay.
Oh.
It opens like that. Okay. Oh, look at that.
The presentation
The presentation, though.
starts pretty strong.
Okay. Eco-friendly packaging for the most part. Cloth is actually terrible from an eco perspective, especially if it's single use. But my kids will get plenty of use out of these cute little baggies.
Yeah.
We've got some replacement ear tips. So I have extra small. The presentation falls apart a little bit here. This is just standard plastic printed bags with little ear tips in them. Extra small, large, small for whatever has a different color of printing on it. Maybe they sourced those from a different factory or something. Oh, that's weird. Wait, what? I have two smalls. Wait, what is SM? Maybe SM is not small. Why are they both labeled SM? Okay, I'm definitely going to talk about that in the video.
They didn't look the same size to me.
One of them, no, it's a completely different thing.
Yeah.
One of them seems to be like a wrap for it to help hold it in your ear or something.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got that. And then what's in the other one? I have no idea if people are even interested in this.
They seem like they
what's
might
the unboxing experience like of a $1,500 pair
from
of earbuds?
really far away.
Okay, in the other bag, the extra large ear tips are in there for some reason. Don't know why that
Sweet.
would be. There's a USB A to C adapter and then a C to C charging cable that actually has
wrap.
a leather.
Wow.
Okay, I don't know if it's real leather. Hard to say.
Is it attached to the cable or does it just fall away?
It is attached to the cable.
Oh.
So you've got a nice little leather. I personally love it when my cable ties are bulkier than they have to be. I'm a big fan of that. And obviously, we're going to test the LV cable with our cable tester.
Nice. Okay.
Obviously. So we
There
got
we
our
go.
charging cable. All right. This feels reassuring. Hold it.
Whoa.
It's heavy, right?
How much of that is this container, though?
Oh, almost all of it, I would hope. I mean,
Is this a charging? Does this charge?
I have no idea. Hold on, there's more. There's
Some
more
of that
stuff
weight
in
might
here.
be the battery. It has some, like, you guys aren't going to be able to hear it or anything, but it has some weight in it for sure.
There's a little.
It's got some weight to it. Does anyone understand that
little
reference?
envelope with a cleaning cloth.
Oh, I can't open it.
Cleaning cloth. I mean, that's like a $100 and whatever value. How much does Apple charge for their cleaning cloth?
Is it $15?
I don't remember.
don't know.
I hold on. How much? How much is Apple's cleaning cloth? I thought it was like ludicrously expensive or something. Oh no, it's like 25 Canadian. Okay, 19 US. Sorry, I must have added a zero to the stupid price tag. Okay, then we've got a manual. All right, cool. And this is it. This is the moment, Luke. I can't believe how freaking heavy this
It's
thing
heavy.
is.
I feel like there's battery in there. I think that's a charging case, which
Nice
is
cool.
actually kind of cool.
Nice quality.
We'll see.
Nice quality zipper. Okay. Oh no, this is just a case for the case.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Oh.
Packaging made in China, of course it is.
Hmm.
So what am I going to do with this? I mean, again, my girls would love this.
Can you remove the lid of that case while it's in the blue one?
That's a good question. So, okay. So it's like a case for your case, so that you
Yeah.
can case while you case. They didn't really apparently think of that. No, it kind of lifts it out a
yeah,
bit.
that's a bad experience.
That's not the greatest.
So this is like honestly sort of almost a
Completely pointless.
yeah.
And then they have a window on their charging case, which is pretty bulky, unless you also own a purse, which I'm sure they'd be happy to sell you at a pretty good profit margin.
Oh yeah. Definitely.
You're not going to be carrying this around with you easily. It's pretty bulky. Here are the earphones themselves.
The window looks kind of nice.
Yeah, the window's kind of classy, actually. It appears to be glass,
Oh,
not like plastic.
all right.
And
The magnet or the hinge or something on that movement seems pretty intense.
yeah, feels pretty good. Feels
Okay,
pretty good.
Okay.
And then this is the first time I have ever paid for a Louis Vuitton anything. I promise you that. So this is my
Okay,
first.
Okay.
I'm a Louis Vuitton virgin. Here we go. How do I look?
Yeah, I don't think that looks cool or good at all. I'm just like, I don't know. I'm not exactly fashionista or anything, but wow, not into it.
All right. Well,
It does look different.
all it cost me was
It
$1,500.
it would make you stand out,
Make you
which
stand out.
I believe is a big part of the point.
I believe is a big part of the point. Hearing me and Luke talk about like the point of luxury goods is probably not an experience anyone was hoping for or needed on the WAN show today.
Yeah,
but,
yeah.
there's going to be a full video of it. I'm going to be evaluating them from a performance perspective, and you guys know how much I care about the additional little leather blue
case for your
pouch that it
case.
comes with or whatever.
Yeah.
I expect them to sound 10 times better than AirPods Pros,
They have to.
or 8 times, or whatever the math works out to be. 7 times? I don't know.
Unless that really weird red box on your head is worth the additional cost. But you know what? Maybe it is. I don't know. Not for me.
All right. So I have not looked into these very much. Some people are sort of really really concerned about the amount of money I spent on them. Okay, so guys, first of all, I'm going to make a video about it. So this is an investment. Second of all, I'm going to sell these, and hopefully I can find someone almost as stupid as me to pay almost as much as I did, and then it's all good.
Yeah.
Right?
Nice. Yeah.
Should be no problem.
There's like probably better ear tips you can get anyways.
Jia Jiang Mian says, so no LV sponsor for Linus? Yeah, I don't think that was ever a possibility. I mean, when it comes to luxury brands, they want nothing to do with tech bros like me because we do not give two hoots about the like cool font that you use to print your name on stuff.
Yeah.
It better have a performance story. I mean, that's one of the things that I talk to the merch team for us about a lot is like, what is the point? What is the point of anything we're doing? And sometimes the point can be memes.
LOL banana.
No problem.
Yeah.
But there has to be some kind of point. Absolutely.
Rod Rosenberg's in chat.
Oh, sup, Rod?
And Rod said, I thought this was pretty funny. Luke has a hard time spending money on stuff at Princess Auto.
Yeah, sounds about right.